In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching both in the background. Then access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on the icon of it, select split screen and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button, or go back to background apps and swipe both at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!